Hey, what's up, my friend? This is Ian Valesa, and today we are going to talk about posture, okay? Because posture is very important when you're actually prospecting and when you're talking to your prospect, okay? Because this will actually increase your sign-up ratio in getting new people into your network marketing business. Now, one of the big mistakes most people do when they are new in this industry is they try to convince and chase their prospect, and that's why most of their warm market will actually run away from them. And I understand you, because I also made a lot of mistakes when I was actually new. In fact, a few years ago, when I was actually just starting, I was actually 19 years old at the time, and that week I actually called my old upline and told him that I need him to help me close someone into our business opportunity, because there's actually someone who's going to come into our office, and I'm actually very intimidated to talk to this person because he has more success than me. And my upline told me that you don't need to actually I don't need to become very nervous when I'm actually going to talk to this person, because there's no such thing as big fish. He told me that I don't need any particular person. Okay, he told me that that prospect needs something from me. That's why he's going to come to my to our office to actually take a look at our business presentation. Because if that person has no problem, he will not actually spend 1 to 2 hours of his time talking to us. Now, at the time, I don't actually understand that, but after a few years of doing network marketing, I actually start to understand that we don't need any particular person I mean, we need people, but we don't need any particular person into joining us into our network marketing business. So when you're actually talking to your prospect, when you're actually talking to them, you don't need to actually beg them. For example, I can actually see poor posture when someone is actually talking to their lead. For example, they will actually ask them, "Are you free 3 p.m. this on Friday?" Or they will actually ask if they are actually open to take a look at this let's say business presentation that they have. And if you're actually doing that, you're actually chasing them. Okay, when you try to explain, when you try to sell, or you try to beg, that is actually weak posture. Okay, you must actually understand here that you don't need to chase anyone. Okay, when you're actually talking to someone, okay, all you need to do is to interview your prospect. That's your job. Your job is to interview your prospect if they are qualified to actually join you in your network marketing business. Okay, because we need to work with those people. We actually need to work with those people that has actually big goals. Okay, so for example, when I talk to your prospect, what I do is actually interview them. I actually ask them curious questions. For example, if they are for example, if I generated a lead using online attraction marketing, I'm gonna ask him or her if he or she is actually consistent when he is actually building his network marketing business before. For example, if he told me that he's been doing this for 7 years, I'm gonna ask him why he haven't got any success, because he's been doing it for 7 years, and I'm gonna find out if he or she is qualified. Okay, and one more thing, if I'm also gonna find out how big is his goal. Okay, because that is actually very important to me. And at the same time, when I'm actually asking questions, I'm actually building rapport at the same time. Okay, so that's what you need to do. Okay, you must actually be in control of the conversation by actually asking some questions. Okay, you don't need to compare your company to his company or her company. You don't need to actually tell them that you have a unique compensation plan, because if you do that, your posture will drop. In fact, if you are doing online attraction marketing, when that person opt in into your newsletter, it means that he or she needs something from you, so you don't need to chase him anymore. Okay, all you need to do is ask questions. If you are doing offline network marketing, if he or she decided to go to your office, it means that he or she needs something from you. Okay, so when he or she is in the office, I want you to interview them and find out if they are qualified or not. Okay, so that's my tip for today. If you like this video, feel free to share it with your friends on Facebook or on Twitter, and I would actually like to hear your comments below this video. Okay, have a great day, my friend, and God bless you.